Home printing technology has developed enough in the last decade or so to make exquisite shop-like printing available to everyone at very affordable prices. These top-class printers are not just cheap, but compact enough to fit cozily into any room of your home or small office and offer the luxury of ordering a printout wirelessly any time of the day. But most of these home printers are geared towards high-quality text printing and leave a lot to be desired if you want to print out your photos that you capture lovingly using your latest cameras and smartphones. Whether it's to add to your album or for a school project, a specialized and affordable photo printer can be a very useful addition to your set of home devices, and our product for today is definitely among the very best options available in this category.
Here we go!
The HP Envy 4520 wireless all-in-one photo printer is a space-saving, highly affordable device that lets you get lab-quality photos in a few easy steps. It can print borderless 4x6-inch photos and a variety of documents up to 8.5 by 11 inches, and can also be used for scanning and copying. Its compact size might lead you to underestimate its tremendous strength, with an input capacity of 100 sheets and print speeds of 9.5 ppm for black and white and 6.8 ppm for color documents. Ease of use is one of the key features of this printer, exemplified not just by the quick setup, but convenient wireless printing capability. With the powerful HP ePrint app, you can print from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet, or use AirPrint to print through your Apple device. Using the wireless direct printing feature, you can even print wirelessly in the absence of a Wi-Fi network. Controlling the printer is equally easy with the 2.2-inch touchscreen display or with the ePrint app. Apart from the very affordable price of the printer itself, you get to save on paper and ink as well. The two-sided printing allows you to print on both sides of the page, cutting your paper use by 50%, while the instant ink subscription gets you timely delivery of original HP 63 ink cartridges that print up to twice as many pages as refilled cartridges. With all these features, this little photo printer from HP truly justifies its name, making your beautiful photo prints the envy of all your friends. Let's check out its score in the customer reviews. It has earned a very commendable average score of 3.9 on 5 stars from close to 4,300 users, making it one popular product. Many reviews indicate that this device's features have been employed quite efficiently for documents beyond photos, like graph paper, calendar, notebook paper, and more for very satisfactory results. That's about all we have on the HP Envy 4520 wireless all-in-one photo printer for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our reviews for other inkjet printers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.